Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So, today I'm going to be making a whole peri peri chicken. If this is what you would like to see, or you want to see how I made this recipe, then please stay tuned. I'm going to be using a whole chicken for my peri peri chicken. You can use whatever you have, whatever part of chicken that you have, whether it's drumsticks or the wings, just use what you have available. So I'm going to remove the backbone of the whole chicken, flip it over, then butterfly the chicken because I'm trying to flatten it. I'm going to season my chicken with some chicken seasoning, thyme, onion powder, and garlic powder. Rub in all the spices around the chicken and set it aside. And so to prepare the peri-peri sauce, I already have my diced onions, my red bell peppers, my chili peppers, garlic, and I'm just going to add a dash or two of some oil because I'm going to pop this in my oven and roast this for about 5 to 10 minutes. And once the peppers are roasted, then transfer it to a blender and add your seasoning. For my seasoning, I am going to be using some paprika, roasted paprika, white pepper, some lemon juice and honey, thyme and salt. And to loosen up the texture, I will be adding a little vegetable oil. I'm going to blend everything together and start coating the chicken with the peri-peri sauce. Once I'm done coating the chicken, I'm going to leave it to marinate for 20 minutes, then transfer it to my oven and bake for an hour 10 minutes. And this is what the peri-peri chicken looks like. I served this up with some jollof fries and some plantains, and it was absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.